Ngayon naman mga boss, alamin natin itong National Korea Day. Dito lamang yan sa I Love My Culture.
Binuksan ni South Korean Ambassador Yuk Lee ang kanyang tahanan sa mga diplomatic corps, media at notable Filipino and South Korean personalities dito sa Manila para i-celebrate ang kanilang Armed Forces Day, National Foundation Day at 61st anniversary ng kanilang Armistice Agreement kung saan natapos ang Korean War.
The National Foundation is very important for Koreans because we have about 50,000-year history. It means that we have a very long history. Korea has a very long history, and I hope that through Korean telenovelas and other Korean products, and of course Korean food, I hope that the Filipinos would enjoy Korea more and come closer to what Korea is really about.
Dahil sa paglago ng people-to-people exchanges ng dalawang bansa, ang Filipinos at Koreans ay nagkaroon ng iisang interes sa kultura at tradisyon. Sa kanilang pagdiriwang, inihain nila ang kanilang ipinagmamalaking Korean food. Kung ang kimchi represents Korean food as a whole, ang galbi naman represents Korean barbecue. At syempre, gaya natin mga Pinoy, di mawawala ang pansit pag may handaan. Ang counterpart ng pansit sa kanila ay japchae. Pinatikim din nila ang iba pang Korean traditional food gaya ng olsobagi o cucumber kimchi, bindae-tteok, mung bean pancake, gimbap, tteok o kakanin sa atin, at ang kanilang sikye, isang traditional Korean beverage na gawa sa barley, malt powder at rice. Talaga namang nag-enjoy kami sa Korean cuisine. At hindi lang pagkain ng kanilang ipinagmalaki, kundi pati ang kanilang silk-made traditional costume na kung tawagin ay hanbok.
Very light color and very thin fabric. And winter is going to be a little bit chilly, so it's getting thicker fabric and more warm colors like that. Yeah. And this is embroidered by hand.
Alam nyo ba na South Korea is the Philippines' top source of tourists for years now? Besting China, Japan, and US. At ang mga Koreans ay pabalik-balik sa ating bansa.
I think the most important thing that ties us stronger is probably the people-to-people exchange, cultural exchange, such as Korean Wave and also Filipino singers who are singing in the lobbies of all five-star hotels in Korea, actually. Korea needs to invest more here in the Philippines so that those companies might employ more Filipino young workers. The trade volume between our two countries should increase, actually. The two-way trade volume between our two countries amounts to about $12 billion annually.